Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. In previous videos we have created database and we have used database. We learn how to create database and how we can use the database. So in this video tutorial we are going to create table inside the database. So here we go. So here we have the syntax: create table, table name, open braces, and the column name, data type and their size. So it is not compulsion like how many columns we want to add. It is up to us like how many columns we want to add in our table. We simply take care about the simple things like open braces, close braces, and we have to mention the semicolon when we are complete our statement. In every SQL command we have to use semicolon when we want to complete and finish our statement. So as you have seen the syntax, now we will discuss the example. So as the example is given, create table my tab, like my table, it is the name of the table. So after that, open braces, name, variable. So the first column is name and the data type is varchar and the size is 30, like the name size is 30 characters long. So the second column is roll number and the number is the data type. We can enter only numeric data inside it and the size is 4. We cannot exceed that data type size. We can enter only 4 character long roll number. So the address and the varchar data type is used to enter the alphanumeric data and the size is 100. We can enter 100 characters in the address bar. And after that we have closed that braces and the semicolon, which means we are going to end our statement. So the table is look like this: name, roll number and address. We can enter the data inside it, the name and their roll number and their respective address. So after creating the table or while creating the table, we can also add some constraints inside the table. These constraints, like in previous video we doesn't have discussed about the constraints, so we will discuss constraints like for example, create table, same as previous, the table name and the name, varchar and the size which we have given. So we will discuss. We have used the not null constraint with the name and the primary key constraint with the roll number. The primary key ensure that that field is required and we cannot make it null. We have to enter at least any value inside that column which is primary key. So and that should be unique also. So after that, in address bar we have we doesn't have any constraint. It is the optional part. We can add it or we don't add it. So we have discussed the syntax of table and their example and the constraints syntax and the example. We have to care about some guidelines while creating the table. So the first one is table name should start with an alphabet. It should not be numeric. Second one is in table name blank spaces and single quotas are not allowed. So the third one is reserved words of that RDBMS, DBMS cannot be used as table name, for example char, integer, etc. So the fourth one is proper data type and size should be specified, otherwise the creation of table will not be possible. So the fifth one is unique column name should be specified. So the fifth one is unique column name should be specified. We doesn't have to make the same column names. If we use the same column names, then the table will not be created. So we have to make unique names of the columns inside the table. So these are some guidelines. With the help of these guidelines we can easily create our table inside the database. So now we will learn by doing practical. Like we have created database right now, we have used that database, we have specified that database we are going to use, and now we are going to create table inside that database which we are used right now. So above creation of table and use table we have discussed in the previous videos. If you don't have seen, then click in the description below. I have given the links of that videos. So create table, as we have discussed in the syntax, the table name we have to specify it, like which table we are going to create. After that, the open braces and the column name, it should be anything. We can use So the open braces, and after that enter, and you can use any column name. We are going to use the name and varchar, which is the data type of name, and the 50 size character long we can enter the name. And the second one is roll number, the data type is integer, and the size which we are going to mention is 4. We can enter 4 character long roll number. We can enter 4 character long roll number, and the close braces and the semicolon to end up the query. So now if we enter, then the table will be created like the message arrived, query okay, 0 rows affected, which means our query is fine. We have successfully created one table which name is my tab, which means my table. We have successfully created one table inside the database. So hope you guys like the video. If you have any query, you can contact me. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.